The world of private aviation often conjures images of ultimate luxury and unparalleled speed. But beneath the polished exteriors and plush cabins lies a meticulously structured ecosystem of aircraft, each designed for specific purposes and performance envelopes. Industry insiders and aviation analysts consistently categorize these magnificent machines into distinct levels, reflecting their capabilities, size, and operational roles. Our investigation today will peel back the layers to reveal these precise classifications, exploring what truly differentiates one private aircraft from another, and why these distinctions matter, according to expert consensus. So, why do we need these distinct levels? Aviation regulatory bodies like the FAA in the United States, along with manufacturers and charter operators worldwide, employ these classifications to streamline everything from certification and pilot ratings to market segmentation and operational planning. According to reports from the General Aviation Manufacturers Association, these categories help define performance expectations, safety standards, and even the economic viability of specific aircraft types. It's a framework that brings order to a highly complex and diverse sector, ensuring clarity for buyers, operators, and regulators alike, experts confirm. Our journey begins at the foundational tier of private aviation, which, while not technically a jet, forms a crucial entry point: piston-powered aircraft. Aviation industry classifications, according to organizations like the General Aviation Manufacturers Association, include these as private aircraft. These planes utilize reciprocating engines, much like those found in cars, to turn a propeller, generating thrust. Experts often cite models like the Cessna 172 or the Cirrus SR-22 as prime examples. These aircraft are typically smaller, designed for shorter flights, flight training, or personal travel, providing a cost-effective introduction to private flying. This level represents the most basic, yet essential, form of private air transport, investigators note. Delving deeper into piston aircraft, performance data compiled by aviation publications like AOPA Pilot indicates typical cruise speeds often range from 120 to 200 knots, with maximum ranges generally not exceeding 1,000 nautical miles. These aircraft are commonly configured to carry 2 to 4 passengers, though some larger models may accommodate up to 6. Operational costs are significantly lower compared to turbine aircraft, making them accessible for personal ownership and flight schools. While not built for speed or long distances, their simplicity and reliability make them invaluable for localized travel and pilot development, sources confirm. Ascending to the next level, we encounter turboprop aircraft, a significant leap in capability. These planes are propelled by a turbine engine similar in core design to a jet engine that drives a propeller. Aviation journals and manufacturer specifications, such as those for the Pilatus PC-12 or the King Air series, highlight their key advantages: greater speed, higher altitude capabilities, and enhanced reliability compared to piston engines. They bridge the gap between piston aircraft and pure jets, offering improved performance for regional and medium-range missions, as widely acknowledged by aerospace engineers. Data from prominent turboprop manufacturers and charter service providers consistently indicates that these aircraft typically cruise between 250 and 300 knots, reaching altitudes up to 30,000 feet. Their range often extends between 1,500 and 2,000 nautical miles, comfortably connecting cities across large regions. A King Air 350, for instance, can carry 8 to 11 passengers. While not as fast as pure jets, turboprops excel in operating from shorter runways and in more challenging environments, making them incredibly versatile for accessing smaller airports not served by larger aircraft, a fact often emphasized in operational briefs. Entering the realm of true jet propulsion, Level 3 introduces us to very light jets, or VLJs. These aircraft, defined by their maximum takeoff weight of under 10,000 pounds and often single-pilot operation capability, represent a significant innovation in private aviation. Pioneering models like the Eclipse 500 and the Embraer Phenom 100, according to Aviation Historian Reviews, aim to democratize jet travel by offering lower acquisition and operating costs. They utilize small, efficient turbofan engines, marking the first time jet performance became accessible to a broader segment of the private aviation market, experts reveal. Operational data from fractional ownership programs and charter companies confirms that VLJs typically carry 4 to 6 passengers over short to medium ranges, often up to 1,200 nautical miles. Their cruise speeds can reach up to 380 to 400 knots, significantly faster than turboprops, allowing for quicker regional trips. While their cabins are compact, designed more for efficiency than sprawling luxury, they offer a comfortable, productive environment. VLJs are frequently employed for quick business hops between cities or for individual owners seeking the speed and prestige of jet travel without the extensive overhead of larger aircraft, analysts note. Moving beyond VLJs, we arrive at Level 4, light jets, often considered the workhorses of business aviation. Aircraft in this category, such as the Citation CJ4, Learjet 35, or Embraer Phenom 300, typically require a two-pilot crew and offer more cabin space and increased range compared to their very light counterparts. According to industry reports from firms like Argus International, light jets are frequently chartered for regional business travel, providing a balance of speed, efficiency, and comfort. They represent a robust step up, offering enhanced capabilities for demanding corporate schedules, as demonstrated by their widespread adoption. Performance specifications from manufacturers like Textron Aviation reveal that light jets generally cruise between 400 and 450 knots, with typical ranges extending from 1,500 to 2,000 nautical miles. This allows for non-stop flights across a significant portion of a continent, such as coast to coast in the US with a stop. They accommodate 6 to 8 passengers in a cabin that, while still compact, often allows for more comfortable seating and basic amenities, unlike the very light jets. These aircraft strike a sweet spot for executives needing efficient, comfortable travel for trips lasting a few hours, market analysis indicates. Advancing to Level 5, we encounter mid-size jets, characterized by their significantly larger cabins and extended range, often enabling transcontinental flights. Aircraft such as the Citation Latitude, Gulfstream G150, or Hawker 800XP offer passengers the ability to stand up and move around, a crucial comfort factor on longer journeys. Aviation analysts frequently point to these jets as providing a substantial upgrade in passenger experience and capability. They are engineered for longer durations, combining greater speed with increased interior volume, making them suitable for cross-country and even some shorter international routes, as charter data suggests. According to performance metrics published by leading manufacturers, mid-size jets typically achieve cruise speeds of 450 to 500 knots, with a non-stop range extending from 2,000 to 3,000 nautical miles. This allows for comfortable flights across the continental United States or between North America and parts of Europe, depending on winds and payload. They commonly accommodate 7 to 9 passengers. The improved cabin environment, often featuring a small galley and enclosed lavatory, significantly enhances the travel experience, particularly for multi-hour flights where comfort becomes paramount, as emphasized by VIP charter providers. Our ascent continues to Level 6, super mid-size jets, a category celebrated for combining impressive performance with enhanced cabin luxury. These aircraft, including iconic models like the Citation X Plus, Challenger 350, and Gulfstream G280, push the boundaries of speed and range further than mid-size jets. Investigative reports from aviation intelligence firms highlight their capability for longer international routes, often connecting continents. They are designed for discerning travelers who demand both exceptional speed and a more spacious, refined cabin experience, as evidenced by their popularity in high-end charter and corporate flight departments. Manufacturer specifications and independent flight test data confirm that super mid-size jets are among the fastest in business aviation, with some, like the Citation X Plus, capable of reaching Mach 0.935, nearly the speed of sound. Their typical cruise speeds hover around 480 to 520 knots. Critically, their non-stop range extends significantly, often exceeding 3,500 nautical miles, enabling direct transatlantic flights. These jets typically accommodate 8 to 10 passengers in a stand-up cabin, offering greater comfort, advanced entertainment systems, and often a larger galley, a significant upgrade for long-duration international missions, according to pilot feedback. Finally, we reach the apex of private aviation, Level 7, encompassing heavy and ultra-long-range jets. These are the undisputed champions of global travel, epitomized by aircraft like the Gulfstream G650/G700, Bombardier Global 7500/8000, and Dassault Falcon 8X. Market intelligence reports consistently identify these jets as offering the largest cabins, the farthest ranges, and the highest levels of luxury. They are designed for intercontinental travel, connecting virtually any 2 points on the globe with unparalleled comfort and speed, representing the ultimate expression of private jet capabilities, as evidenced by their elite clientele. An examination of manufacturer data reveals astonishing capabilities. These giants of the sky boast cruise speeds of Mach 0.85 to 0.90, with an incredible nonstop range often exceeding 7,000 nautical miles, enough to connect New York to Tokyo or London to Perth. Their expansive cabins are typically divided into multiple zones, featuring full stand-up headroom, private staterooms, luxurious galleys, and even showers. Carrying 12 to 19 passengers, these jets offer a truly bespoke travel experience, essentially a flying luxury apartment, providing unmatched connectivity for global leaders and high-net-worth individuals, according to industry publications. Understanding these levels wouldn't be complete without a brief, comparative look at the financial commitment. Brokerage reports from firms like JetNet and Amstat consistently show a significant escalation in both acquisition and operating costs as we move up the levels. A new high-end piston aircraft might start around $1 million, while a turboprop could be $5 to $10 million. VLJs often range from $4 to $8 million, light jets from $8 to $15 million, and mid-size jets from $15 to $25 million. Super mid-size aircraft can command $25 to $40 million, with heavy and ultra-long-range jets easily surpassing $50 million, often reaching $75 million or more. Operational costs follow a similar upward trajectory due to fuel burn, maintenance, and crew requirements. While our 7 levels provide a robust framework, the world of private aviation is constantly evolving. Beyond these classifications lie bespoke aircraft, often commercial airliners heavily modified for private use, offering unparalleled customization. Furthermore, aerospace research and development firms are actively exploring future innovations. This includes the potential for electric or hybrid electric private aircraft for short-range travel, and the renewed interest in supersonic business jets, aiming to drastically cut transoceanic flight times. As technology advances, we may see entirely new categories emerge, further diversifying this dynamic industry, as forecasters predict. From the humble piston aircraft providing an entry point to the ultra-long-range marvels connecting continents, the 7 levels of private jets offer a comprehensive view of this specialized segment of aviation. Our investigation has revealed that each category is defined by a unique blend of performance, capacity, comfort, and operational cost, all underpinned by industry standards and user requirements. Understanding these distinctions is not merely an academic exercise, it empowers buyers, informs operators, and provides clarity for anyone fascinated by the engineering and luxury of private flight. We hope this deep dive has demystified the intricate world of private aviation for you.